Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how you can make a bouncing effect using expression. You can apply the expression on a scale and position. So, let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. I've already created a composition to save your time. Now, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Align the circle shape to the center. Select the circle and press S to open Scale Properties. Now, add a keyframe. Slightly move the keyframe just like this. Let's add a new keyframe with 0% value. Let's preview this. It's working. But, it's not bouncing as we want. So, let's add an expression. Just copy the expression. Go to the After Effects, hold the Alt key on the keyboard, and click this stopwatch icon to add an expression. Now, paste this expression. You can download this expression. The link is in the description. Let's preview it. Cool. It's working. As you can see, we don't have any keyframes to control the bounce effect. So, we have to change the values in expression. First, change the decay. Cool. Let's change the amplitude and frequency. Cool. It's working. Now, hide this layer and create another shape layer. This time I am creating a small circle. To add an expression on position, align shape to the center. Make sure you are at the first frame. Press P to open Position Properties. Add a keyframe, and drag the keyframe to the right side just like this. Now, drag the circle to change its position. Add a new keyframe, and change the circle position. Let's preview it. Cool. Let's add a bounce expression for position. Copy the expression. Go to the After Effects. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard, and click this stopwatch icon to add an expression. Now, paste the expression. Let's preview it. Change the values to make it more bounce. Change the gravity to 12,000. Change the elasticity to 0.7. You can change these values as you want. Cool. It looks perfect to me. Let's change the gravity to 5 to 8,000. You can change these values to change the bounce. Now, you've learned to create a bounce animation. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. And subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Good luck.